crisp, brown, and often found under towering conifers. Yes, we're talking about pine cones, but what the heck is a pine cone? Simply put, they're the reproductive organs of pine trees. Each scale on a pine cone holds a seed waiting to grow into a new tree. Ever wonder why they open and close? It's nature's genius. Dry, warm weather makes them open to release seeds. When it's cold and wet, they close to protect those seeds. Did you know? There are over 100 species of pine trees worldwide, and each has its own unique type of pine cone. From the tiny 1-inch cones of the Potosi piñón to the whopping 24-inch cones of the sugar pine. Pine cones, they're not just holiday decor, they're a fascinating part of our ecosystem.